Hello class 3rd, welcome to online classes of HPF. In this video, we are going to study the new chapter number 6, safety rules. Accidents can happen anywhere and at any time. People get hurt in accidents or even lose their lives due to minor carelessness. We can avoid accidents if we are careful and follow safety rules. To avoid accidents, we should always be careful and we should follow all the required safety rules. There should be safety followed at different safety measures should be taken at different places. See, at home we should not play with the matchsticks, we should not touch the hot utensils or boiling water, we should not cover the face with a pillowcase or any kind of bag, and we should not also take any medicine without asking to the elders. See this boy, what he is doing? Don't play with the burning candles. We should not always play with the burning candles. We should not leave any books or bags or anything scattered on the floor. We should not spill the water or oil on the floor. We should avoid using water near electrical appliances. We should always wipe our hands with the wet hands. We should not touch any switches or electrical appliances. And for burning firecrackers, we should always burn the crackers in the presence of elders, in front of our parents, and wear cotton clothes while lighting them. At the school, what all safety measures should we take? We should never run or jump around the desk and the benches. We should avoid banging doors and windows. We should never sharpen the pencil with a blade, always use a sharpener for this purpose. While running on the stairs, we should always go in a line. What all safety measures should we take on the playground? We should never push while playing each other. We should follow all the rules whichever game we are playing. For flying kites, we should not fly kites from rooftops. We should always fly kites in the open playgrounds. No, we should not never hit any animal or in the playground, in or around the playground. We should always wait for the turn on the swings. Do not play near thorny hedges or barbed wires. Now, what all safety measures should we take on the road? We should always follow the traffic signals, traffic lights, the red, green, and the orange light. Before crossing the road, we should look on both the sides. Always, we should cross the road at the zebra crossing and walk always on a footpath. We should always try to use subways to cross the busy roads. Moving inside a bus, we should not rush over there also. We should stand in a line or a queue and wait for our turn. While the vehicle is moving, we should not take out any part of our body like the hands or the fingers. Always, we should wear the seat belts while riding a vehicle. And still sometimes what happens, children, in spite of taking so many precautions, accidents occur. So the first aid is done. What is first aid? First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives. In spite of being careful, accidents occur. So we must know what should be done when someone gets hurt. जब किसी को कुछ लगती है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए उस टाइम? That is the first aid. First of all, we should not get frightened. डर खुद ही नहीं डर जाना चाहिए. Make the injured person sit or lie in a comfortable position. जिसको लगी है उसे properly एक जगह place पे बिठाना है. Do not let crowd gather around the injured person. Give him or her drinking water. पानी देना चाहिए उसे पीने के लिए. अगर bleeding हो रहा है तो we should wash the wound. जहाँ से blood निकल रहा है वो clean water से washing करना है. उसके ऊपर antiseptic lotion लगाना है और हैंकी और बैंडेज भी बांध सकते हैं उसके ऊपर. इफ़ अ पर्सन कैचेस माइनर बर्न्स, कुछ जल जाता है उंगली, फिंगर, हैंड, तो उसे कूल रनिंग वाटर से धोना चाहिए एंड उसके ऊपर ऑइंटमेंट लगाना चाहिए. अगर कोई पर्सन कैचेस फायर में फंस जाता है तो ब्लैंकेट डाल देना चाहिए उसके ऊपर. एंड जितनी जल्दी हो सके कुछ किसी को लग जाती है तो वी शुड कॉल अप doctor. Okay children, this was all for now in this video. We will see the next work in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.